Hello friends, today we will learn the basic setup of Java environment. First of all, we will install the Java development kit. Then we will set the path variable, and in the end we will install a very small and lightweight IDE for Java, that is Sublime Text. So let's go. For downloading of JDK, you have to type JDK 8 download in your browser window, and the first result that pop-ups, you have to click it. And when it opens up, this is from the Oracle, and here you can see a long list of the operating systems, that is Linux, Mac and Windows, etc. You can choose your operating system here. As I have Windows 64-bit, so I will choose this option. And oops, sorry, I forgot to click the accept button. Let me click it, and now we can download it. And here you can see that our download has started. So depending upon your internet speed, this will take some time, and when it's finished we will install it. After downloading the Java development kit based on your operating system, whether that is 64-bit or 32-bit, now we are going to install the JDK. As my operating system is 64-bit, so I would like to install the 64-bit JDK. Just double click this executable file. As you can see, the successful installation message. So our Java development kit has successfully installed. Click close. And now for the second step, we are going to set the environment variable. As I am using Windows 10, and in Windows 10 all you have to do is to press the Windows button and type environment variable, and you will see this option. Just click it. In this window down below here, you can see the environment variables. Click this. Okay, come to the path, click edit, and now come here to your C drive, program files, Java, JDK, and bin. Copy this path. Here this path, as you can see, if you click, select and copy. When you copy this path, come back to your environment variable, select new and paste it here. Click OK, OK and OK, and that's all. We are done for the second step. Now the last step, installation of IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. This is basically the editor for Java, in which we will type our code. So let's install it. In order to download the Sublime text editor, all you have to do is to type Sublime text editor in your browser window. Sorry, my internet speed is a bit slow. And here you can see the first result. Just click it. This will bring you to this page, and here you just need to click this button, download for Windows, and our download has begun. This is just a few MBs, very small size, and this will download quickly. And after it is downloaded, we will just quickly install it. We have selected Sublime Text Editor because it is very lightweight and it is very easy to use, and also for beginners it is very good to put your hands on such a small editor because it does not give you much options, so you have to type almost all the code yourself, and this way you will be able to learn the basic terminologies and the basic statements of Java, and this will help you to remember those statements later on. So let's install it. Yes, click this, click next, install, and this will be installed very quickly. Click finish. Now we are going to launch the Sublime Text Editor. Here you can launch it. I will pin it to my taskbar. Okay, now let's go and type some text. First of all, we have to type a class and then a class name. Let's give this program a class name hello, and let's type the main function. And the main function, let us type just a simple statement, that is system.out.println, and then let's print a message, hello world, put a semicolon, and we're done. Let us save this. I'll just save it in a simple place. For example, I am going to save it in my official. Let us save it here. And give it a name hello. This is important to understand that you have to give your program the same name as that of the class name in which the public static void main function is defined. Okay, so you give your class a name of that class dot Java extension, and you click save. So as you can see that the Sublime editor has detected that we have saved our file as Java file, so that is why it has applied a color scheme. So this is very easy to understand different parts of the program. Also you can with control and mouse wheel up, you can zoom the code Now let us go to the CMD and execute this code. So how we will execute it? Go to press window R and type CMD, enter, and you will see this window. Let us put it here and put this here. If you don't know how I make my computer split into halves, just hold one of the program, bring it to the right until the cursor touches the side of the screen, and this will automatically be fit into half the screen. Now we can hold the other program, drag it to the side and release, and automatically your program will be set into two windows. Let's go to the F drive and dir. I think there is Java. Change directory, cd Java. Now I am inside the Java folder, and now let us execute our program. The name of our program is hello.java. So first we have to compile our program, and after the compilation we have to run our program. So let us compile our program first. For compilation you have to type java c space name of your program, that is hello dot the Java extension dot Java. Press enter, and if you see no error message, it means that your program has compiled correctly. In this case our program is compiled correctly. Now run. Let us run our program. In order to run our program we have to type simple java space our program name hello, but this time I don't have to type .java extension. Press enter, and we have a problem. Main method not found in class hello. Oh, sorry, we have forgotten the string args, capital STRING string args and a big bracket. Let us save it and let us run it again. It is compiled correctly, and now let's run it. Java hello, and as you can see the output here, so it means that our program is correct and it has shown us the output that we wanted to print. So friends, this was our very first look of the Java environment. I think this is easy. You should just put your hands on to get used to the environment, and in the next lecture we will proceed toward our first program in Java. So hope to see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.